Located in Snohomish, Washington, the French Creek Workshops house by Wittman Estes is a blend of living and creative space deeply rooted in its natural surroundings. It was built for a newly retired couple with a simple yet profound desire to create a home that was not only comfortable to live in but also a space for continued creative work. From the outside, the building appears low and serene, seemingly blending into the surrounding wetland landscape. But beneath its simplicity lies a profound design philosophy. The house sits on a plot surrounded by a natural wetland, where aquatic life and plants combine to form a rich ecosystem. Wittman Estes did not attempt to conquer nature, but rather allowed it to become part of the daily lives of the home's inhabitants. The building's massing follows the gentle contours of the land, creating a flowing and organic spatial experience. The relationship between interior and exterior is kept open. Light, air, and natural sounds become living architectural elements. One of the house's most striking features is its water system. The main roof is designed with an impluvium concept, channeling rainwater into a reflecting pool at the center of the building. Each falling drop of water creates a soothing sound, creating a meditative atmosphere throughout the day. In the rainy season, the pond reflects the gray sky, while in the summer, it becomes a natural cool center. Through this approach, the house not only interacts with the climate but also celebrates the changing rhythms of nature. The interior of the house strikes a balance between the warmth of natural materials and modern precision. Cedar walls, polished concrete, and metal details blend in a calming harmony. Each space is designed with soft natural lighting, creating an intimate yet airy atmosphere. Neutral colors blend with the rough textures of raw materials, creating a balance between warmth and firmness. The open-plan living and dining areas face the garden, creating a living experience that blends with the landscape outside. The single-story design was a key decision in this project, not only for ease of future access but also to maintain a horizontal connection with the landscape. Each space has an openness that allows residents to move naturally from inside to outside. In the morning, soft light penetrates the wooden latticework. In the afternoon, the house transforms into a canvas of shadows and reflections. All of this creates a serene yet dynamic experience, like the slow, yet meaningful, rhythm of life. Separate from the main zone is the workshop, the creative heart of the house. This is where the residents spend time creating works of art, from glass art to metal sculptures. The space is designed to function independently, with abundant natural light and cross-ventilation maintaining comfort. A large work desk, tool shelves, and a dedicated laundry area make this space both efficient and inspiring. From the large windows on the east side, views of the garden and reflecting pool are always visible, a reminder that every creative process is born from a connection with nature. More than just a home, the French Creek Workshop's house is a manifestation of an integrated lifestyle, living and creating within a single space. Here, the boundaries between work and personal time become fluid. Every step, every glance, reminds us that creativity does not arise from compulsion, but from the harmony between body, space, and nature. This house exemplifies how architecture can foster gratitude for the process of life itself.